Active listing inventory is up 49% from last year this same time. And we have days on the market for these at 69 days. It's Friday, January 23rd, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your real estate go-to resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Available overall Annapolis inventory increased 8.7% this report to 149 units with a median list price of $599,900, reflecting a falling list price of 4.1%. 15 units are scheduled as coming soon. 10 homes went under contract in 91 days at a median $724,750. Days on the market are irregular this report because it's more than 800% higher than it has been. 10 homes did sell for 2.5% more this report at a 99.6% list to sold ratio and in 9 days at a median sales price of $552,500. Rentals increased by 1 unit for lease, but are holding at a median list price of $2,913 per month. Got questions about your specific real estate circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, January 23rd, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe and warm. I'll see you next week. Take care.